Hello everyone, welcome back. So it is a new Adopt Me update. There's a new house and it's 4,500 Adopt Me bucks. 4,500 bucks in game. So I'm really glad that it doesn't cost like any like Robux, because like that would have been a big problem. Cause excuse me, like, dude, I do not have Robux. But so, cause guys, let me show you this. Okay, so it's the Hollywood Mansion. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. But let's go here, change house, and it's the Hollywood house. I love this thing so much. I need it. I need to go get more Adopt Me bucks. And you know what? While we are at it, once we're finished this dragon little need, I am right away going to switch to one of the pets I want to make neon, so I can maybe get like some neon pet, like maybe a couple jungle eggs while I'm at it, and the house. So like yeah, at least, you know what, I'm pretty close to getting to, at least like 2,000, even though I'm not very close to getting to 2,000. Yeah, I'm wrong, but you know what, I'll figure it out. I'll fix it. This is like ridiculous. Oh my god. These swings, I swear, like they swing so high. Look at this. Look how crazy that is. But what I'm planning to do is I'm gonna actually buy 5 shadow dragons for myself, so I can make a neon one too. Okay, now that we're done that and we're at like 1,106, I'm going to switch to the where is it? I want to get a neon buffalo because they look super cool. Like, they're green. They're literally green. It looks like the coolest thing ever. So, I mean, I need to make more neon. My buffalo is going insane over there. Okay, let's just fix that really quick. I never got to make a neon zombie buffalo, but I'm still doing the giveaway. And now, guys, it's a second giveaway, okay? I haven't given it away yet. I mean, if I don't get rid of it, I'm just gonna rename it to Puff Guy. So, like, then you're kind of out of luck. So anyway, other than that, why do the buffaloes take you know what? Whenever I'm trying to, like, not make money, the pets, like, get all the notifications. But, like, then, guess what? When I'm, like, trying to get money, the pets never want to do anything. Like, that's the issue, is that I can't get money. How do I, like, earn money? Like, I sold the shop because I was planning to buy, like, a bigger shop so I could, like, actually live in the shop and, like, you know, actually, like, so, I mean, I don't really know what to do. I really don't know. I really, literally don't know what to do. Oh my god, we just gotta, like, wait here. Wait, wait. Don't you, like, earn... Don't you earn, like, some type of thing for, like, throwing a toy or something? Panda Frisbee. Here, let's get the pumpkin. The throwing pumpkin. Because, like... No, it doesn't give me nothing, man. Okay. Let's put that away. Okay. So I also found out that apparently the shadow dragons are still available. I don't know for how long though, so I'm gonna try to get as many I can. So, I can like do stuff with them. Do whatever I want. Hmm. There's a lot of people in the Don't Trip squad. Or army, sorry. I mispronounced. Hey, excuse me, lady. You just pushed me. That was kind of rude. Okay, so there we go. Buffalo, come on, boy. Come on, dude. Come on. You know what? Wait. We're gonna call this guy Halo. That's my idea. That is my plan. Halo. No. H-A-L-O. Halo. Halo. Beautiful. Kinda. I mean, I want a supercar because I never got them, but I mean, I can buy them myself later. But, what? Do you want to be my baby's dad? Oh my lord. Blue or orange? Wait, blue or orange? O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange? Oh. Is that the wrong guy? No, it's not. Okay. What is going on here? Oh my god, what is about to happen? What's going on here? This is kind of weird. Does it take a long time for him to type? Okay, well, I'm just gonna wait a second here. I'm gonna just freak out. But you have to trade me something. Okay. What? Okay, what? Okay, what? Because I'm confused what he would want. I mean, because I don't want to take stuff for free either. I want to actually, What does he want? I hope it's nothing crazy. I'm sorry, but I can't give away unicorns or anything legendary. What do you have to trade? I'm gonna say, let me see. Let me see. Okay. We could trade him, we could trade him Sammy. Oh, this is for the giveaway, though. I don't want to, I guess, what should I trade? I don't know. You know what? Vehicles. What about vehicles? Maybe maybe like I can give him like a cannon stroller. Okay, wait. Lou, I don't know. What should I give him? I mean, what if we give him a brown bear? Brown bear? Yeah, we'll give him one of those then. We can give him, I don't know what to give, really. We can give him this. This and let's see what else. What about like if I have to, I'll give him a sloth. But I don't know about this trade. Let me think. Wait. RIDE, ride. I don't know. I mean, Samu was kind of my first Robux purchase in Adopt Me. I don't really know if I should. Should I or should I not? I'll think about it for a minute. I'm just waiting. Like, I don't know. How many Robux is the cars? Like, literally, aren't they like 1,000 Robux? Like, he's only getting basically like, I don't know. How much is the stuff? How much is the, expensive, the royal carriages, but where's the, that's 1,000 Robux right there. So, I don't know. I don't think he's gonna accept this. Wait. Yes, but I will. Yes, but I will. NEVE, never give you it. Yes, but I will never give you it. Yes, I will never give you it. Though. He's trying to be smart. He's trying to be smart. Like, there's no way that I'm going to give him anything like that. Now, if you would excuse me, sir, I must leave now. Goodbye, sir. Bye. Bye. Okay. Like, there's no way that I'm gonna give him my brother's dragon, because it isn't even mine, and, like, he's saying that he wants to literally give me a dumb car, and see, pets are actually, like, more, pets are more valuable than cars and, like, vehicles and stuff, because vehicles you can only, like, teleport in, you know, like, move around in. Pets, you can literally do this, like, they're cute, they're, like, interactive and stuff, so I don't think that's a very worth it trade, and there's no way, especially since the fact that, like, it's my brother's dragon, not mine. But anyways, guys, I guess I'll see you in the next video, of saving up. Goodbye, guys. Don't forget to hit the notification, by the way, so you can join the Kitty Clan anyway. Goodbye, guys.